Hello everyone. Do you want to erase unwanted objects from your photos in seconds? Cleanup.pictures makes it effortless. From photo bombers to wires to random clutter, this AI tool cleans your images with one simple brush. If you ever wished you could fix a picture with Photoshop, Cleanup.pictures is your new best friend. Today I'll show you how to magically remove distractions and make your photos look clean and professional. Let's turn messy photos into perfect shots using the power of AI. So this is the website address cleanup.pictures. Okay, if you type this address in your browser, you will reach to this website, and this is the overall layout or in the interface of this website. It's very easy to understand, and it's best for the beginners. Okay, so let's go. First of all, we will upload our file that from which we want to remove unwanted object. Okay, so I'll just select this one. Okay, and here I will upload this photo. Okay, so let's continue with the standard version. Okay, so let's suppose we want to remove this ball from the photo, so I'll color this ball so that it will be removed. Okay, so I've just selected this. Okay, and now let's say click erase. So as you can see that it hasn't removed correctly, so we will brush it again and let's wait. So you can see that it has removed, but the shadow is still there. Let's move it to. So as you can see that we have got a clean background. Now what if we want to remove this ball as well? So let's paint it too, and let's see if it gets removed as well. After painting, don't have to do you don't have to do anything. You just need to wait, and it will remove the object from your photo. As you can see that both the balls have been removed just by brushing the balls. In this way you can remove any kind of unwanted objects from your photo in just one click with the help of this AI tool, which is cleanup.pictures. So that's all for today. I hope you get idea how you can remove unwanted objects from your photo. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.